Today I'm making 3 salads that don't have lettuce and taste nothing like a traditional salad. Let's get started with our strawberry, watermelon, and blueberry salad. Begin by washing all your fruit. Then cut each into bite-sized pieces. For the watermelon, I did squares and I sliced my strawberries. Make sure you have a big bowl ready to throw all your ingredients in as you're cutting them. Once you have all the fruit mixed in, cut up a couple sprigs of mint by removing the leaves from the stems and chopping into small pieces. Add to the bowl of fruit and mix well, then add feta crumbles and a teaspoon or 2 of citrus fruit infused vinegar. I used a cranberry pear infused balsamic vinegar that is just awesome from a local olive oil store. Our next non-lettuce salad is a carrot salad. Yes, just carrots, but the herbs and vinaigrette make for a wonderful combo that you won't want to stop eating. This salad is adapted from the cookbook Salad Freak by Jess DeMuck. To make the vinaigrette, you need 2 tablespoons of grainy mustard. I used regular and it was fine. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and zest and juice of 1 lemon. Add to a bowl and whisk well. Peel and julienne 4 carrots. I did mine with a mandolin, but it's probably easier if you have decent knife skills, or get a julienne peeler. Chop some parsley, make a nice little nest with the carrots, add vinaigrette, parsley, salt, and pepper on top, then eat. That's it. Last but not least, cucumber, pea, and radish salad. First, make the vinaigrette. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the juice of half a lemon, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 2 to 3 grated cloves of garlic. Whisk well. Peel the cucumber with the same peeler. Shave off slices of cucumber onto a plate. Thinly slice a few radishes. I sliced 2. Blanch or steam your 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of peas for a minute. Let cool for a few minutes and add on top of the cucumber and radish. Add a few spinach leaves too. Remember to season with salt and pepper, then top with vinaigrette. Do a few tosses of the salad to coat it with the dressing. While you're enjoying your salads, don't forget to subscribe.